for to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. 1986 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. First year back of the convertible after the C3 model. 1975, I believe it was. This particular one, dark red metallic, paint code number 74. Dark gray cloth interior, of course, the TPI 5.7 liter. Underneath the hood that is paired up with a manual transmission in this particular model. Power steering, power brakes. AC blows cold. Headlights work fine. We're going to show you that when we get to the end of this video. Start it up. Let's check out the engine bay, listen to it. But first, if you want to check out the still pictures, go ahead and go to uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a peek at the interior. Cloth buckets. Of course, the center console, the shifter on the floor. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo. I believe it was a Kenwood that was added to it. Now, if you want to consider a trade in on this vehicle, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, there are a few spots in the paint back here. It looks like they're a little thin. Kind of through the clear a tad, a few spots. And then you can see where the top has been up. And we'll put the top up at the end of this video and check that out also. And you can also see it in the still pictures of the top up, top down. And again, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Little over 56,900 miles, I believe it was. We'll take a peek at the odometer when we start it up here. Of course, manual top on these, which very simple to put up and down. One person can do it in a minute or so. Of course, your modern amenities on this particular car does have power seats, power windows, power locks. Of course, tilt and cruise. Alright, so let's go ahead. There's your miles up there. 56,910. Neutral here. That was a cold start too, so coolant temperature is going to be down there. See oil pressure, all the gauges working. No warning indicators on the screen right here where you're going to have any sort of check engine light, service lights, anything like that. It is a Kenwood aftermarket. And the rest of the dash, nice shape. Also wanted to show you those headlights. There's the headlights up and down. No noises. Work great. All right. Go ahead and take a look at the seat. As far as wear, not bad at all, considering age and miles. I'll pop that hood while I'm here. And flip around to the back so you can hear it run. Again, 5.7 liter tune port injected V8. Alright, let me pause this a second. We're going to pop that hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. There's the underside of that clamshell hood. Nice and tidy. Also get an idea as far as tread depth, and you'll be able to see that in the still picture of the tires. Fronts look good. It's a 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted. See over there. Passenger side here. Right there, converted. 134. Alright. Nice clean engine bay. And one last thing, I'm going to shut her down and flip that convertible top up. We'll get a look at that. Check out the condition of that. You can see there's a nice luster in the paint. A few thin spots, like I said before, in the back, but overall, paint's got a nice, lots of good look to it. Cool color.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the top up on it, first of all, nice tight fit above the windshield. And again, very easy to flip up and down. Just release that tonneau hatch cover, if you will, and top folds up by hand. Latches into place. Free of rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep you out of the sun or rain. It's going to serve its purpose just fine. And again, black cloth, not a vinyl, black cloth top. There you go. C4 convertible, 1986, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Lower mile car for 86. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.